Bonjour. This lesson is on definite articles, or les articles définis. And we have these in English. These are types of determiners, and you might know them as a, an, or the in English. And but the tricky part with French is that they have gender. So we don't just have one word for the, which is our definite article in English, the. We have a masculine word for the and a feminine word for the, and we have a plural word for the. Now, it sounds tricky, but once you see it, it won't be that tricky anymore. Now, if you've taken Spanish, similar to Spanish, okay? Lo, las, okay. So, we have le. Le means the. It's not les. Please do not say les because I'm going to show you les in just a minute. Feminine, la. La means the. Now, I'm going to have a little break here and an extra little section in this table because I'm going to show you one more thing that can mean the, and it's both masculine and feminine, but it's if you have a vowel, a word that starts with a vowel, and it's just an L apostrophe, L apostrophe. And we're going to use that for things like if you said love, the love, l'amour, l'amour. Now, when you see this L apostrophe, please, please, please do not pronounce the apostrophe. It's just like in English. You don't say can't for can't. You just keep going as if the apostrophe wasn't there in that contraction. You don't say don't. You just say don't. Same thing here. Please do not say les amours or le amour. It blends together. L'amour. Almost as if the apostrophe is not even there. Okay. But it means the. The, and the. Now, I'm actually going to erase this section. Luckily, you don't have to know two different ways to say the if a word is plural. But this is, again, I need to emphasize that if you do not know if a word is masculine or feminine, you won't know whether to use le or la. And if you don't understand the difference between singular and plural, you will not be able to choose that. So going back to our last lesson, you need to understand that verbs can be singular, plural, masculine, or feminine, and that's going to tell you which one of these you need to pick. Les. Les also means the. Right. So definite articles, just like in English, are identifying a specific noun. Do you like the restaurant? Tu aimes le restaurant? The restaurant. I'm talking about a restaurant that we've been talking about before. So you know if I say the restaurant, I'm referring to that one that we've been talking about. But this is what's different in French than in English. We will also use the L apostrophe. Not the L apostrophe. We'll also use the definite article, either le, la, les, whichever one applies, to express a general idea. Like l'amour, love. Notice in English, I'm just saying love. I'm not saying the love. Love is more important than money, okay? L'amour est plus important que l'argent. And in French, I'm saying the love is more important than the money. So in our translation, we're not going to put the in for English, but you need it in French. You need our determiners, our definite articles, our indefinite articles, a lot more frequently in French. In English, we drop them a lot, but you need to put them in French way more often, okay? So get used to putting them in and only taking them out on exception. Okay. The other thing that you use definite articles for is if you're saying things you like or dislike, and you're talking about in general. So if I like dogs, I won't say j'aime, I like chien, dogs. I will say j'aime les chiens. So literally, I am saying I like the dogs. J'aime les chiens. I'm saying I like the dogs. But really, I'm saying I like dogs. in general. I'm making a statement about what I like or dislike. So in that case, I'm using a definite article. I could say, I like chocolate. And I would be saying, j'aime le chocolat. Now in English, it looks like I like the chocolate, but I'm using it not to say the, but to express that I like something or dislike something. So I could say, je déteste le chocolat, and I would still use our definite article. So remember, definite articles, you're going to use them more often in French, and you're going to use them to express general concepts like the love, right? Or money. And you're going to use them to express likes or dislikes. So if you say you like something or you dislike something, you need to put that definite article in. You cannot skip it.